On Tuesday, the US dollar index keeps sliding down. It weakened significantly after Jerome Powell's speech at Jackson Hall Symposium. However, there are other bearish factors for the greenback that we are going to discuss today. Watch our video review and find out. Before moving on the US dollar's analysis, let's have a look at China's Manufacturing PMI data for July. The indicator turned out to be worse than analysts forecast. The negative data will inevitably affect the market. The US dollar is approaching a two-week low. Investors are awaiting non-farm payrolls data that may facilitate the greenbacks rally. Now it's trading near 92.50. The US dollar has been hovering around two-week lows against a basket of 6 major rivals for some time. Traders are so focused on US employment data as the final reading may give hints about the future moves of the Fed. If the reading is positive, expectations of an early tapering of QE will intensify. The yuan did not crash following disappointing data on Manufacturing and Services PMI indexes in China. This is why the greenback is likely to stay in the range of 92 and 92.60, as traders are now extremely cautious. The dollar-yuan pair has been stuck near the support level for 3 days. There are two possible scenarios: growth or decline. The pair is likely to pick a trajectory today amid the upcoming economic reports and other factors. The USD JPY may resume a downward movement to the nearest target level of 109.20 due to the weakening of the greenback and signs of rising panic in the stock market. Besides, the yields on medium and long-term US Treasuries have been declining for the fourth day in a row. This is why a downward movement looks more likely. Meanwhile, the AUD-USD pair, on the contrary, has every chance to pick up an upward movement. The Australian dollar has grown steadily today amid a decline in the US dollar index. The pair is already trading at 0.7336. Technical indicators also signal further growth despite the weak macroeconomic data from China, Australia's largest two-way trading partner. One of the oscillators on the chart shows a bullish momentum. Experts are shown that the pair will reach the target level of 0.7452. The only question is how quickly it will happen. Apparently, China's weak manufacturing PMI data, as well as the decline in the US currency, is unlikely to affect the Aussie. Let's sum up. The August bank holiday are coming to an end. Soon, big investors will return to the market, which means high liquidity. In turn, it will lead to an increase in volatility and long-awaited market movements. And we continue to closely monitor the market situation and share our forecast with you. We wish you profitable deals and see you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.